Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be taking a closer look at some of the skins from Skinofy.com. So I would like to thank Skinofy for providing a few skins for review purposes, and in this video we'll talk about the kind of skins which they offer, the installation process, and how you can order one for yourself. So the skins which you are seeing here are the monochrome. This one is the blue honeycomb, and this here is the orange mighty owl. So currently these are installed on my Samsung Galaxy S8, iPhone XR and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I also have it on my LG G7 with which I am currently recording, which I will show you in the next parts of this video. So before talking about the skins in more detail, let's go through the website and the installation process, and I'll get back to you. Let's talk about some advantages which skins in general offer over cases or over carrying your phones without any skins or cases, that is naked. So one of the first advantages is that it doesn't make your phone very thick, and it can actually add a new design which you might want to add to your phone. So here is the S8, okay, and this is not actually a very thick phone, it's actually quite thin, and this feels really nice without the case. But I have been using this for the past 2.5, actually three and a half years without a skin, with just a case, which is this one here. But as you can see, the amount of bulk this actually adds to the device, right? It actually makes this device very bulky. And if I remove this, and this is currently with the skin installed on the device. So as you saw, even with the skin, I was able to install this case. So this won't be a case, this actually won't be a case with thin cases. You need to have some thicker cases that you can actually install over the skins if you want to. Say you're going on a hike, you're going on hiking, or you're going outside and you want more protection, you can definitely do that with a thicker case. But with a thinner case, I don't think you'll be able to install over this, because that might actually damage the edges on the skin. And with the skin, you can actually rest assured that if you just keep your phone like this, and even if you like rub your phone on the surface, you won't get scratches on the device actually, and that the skin would be the one taking those scratches. This is how we get the skin, and this right here is for the iPhone XR. Let's go ahead and install this skin on the iPhone XR, and I'll show you the entire process of how it's done and what you need to be careful about. For the installation purpose, you'll need a hairdryer and a microfiber cloth. With these things, we are good to go for the installation now. One thing which I would like to point out here is the fact that if you think that you are facing difficulties with installing such skins, you can go ahead and buy only the back coverage skins, which are relatively easier to apply. This right here is their website, and as soon as we open it, we can see that there are certain discount going on. So these are the skins, Tigerwood and Cherrywood, where they have 20% discount. And here we see the featured categories section where they have multiple skins from multiple series. I've shown around 4-5 of them in my video here, and so let's go to honey series. And if this is the blue honeycomb which I have showed for my iPhone XR. And one good thing and one great advantage of Skinofy is the fact that you first choose the skin and then you choose the device. On the competitive websites, you actually firstly go and choose your device and then you choose the skin. So here you are not limited by that fact. Also, you can see the multiple features mentioned right here. And one advantage here is the fact that if you can see a skin here, and if your device is not listed for that particular skin, you can easily WhatsApp them and go ahead with the same, and they will ensure that they are able to make it for your device. They also sell cases which you can go ahead and buy, and they also have worldwide shipping, and they do have certain offers all the time. As for example, we saw 20% on few products. This is how the packaging would look like when you receive your skins from Skinofy.com. So there would be a hard piece of cardboard on top of which there would be a skin, and that would be inside a plastic wrap kind of a thing. One suggestion which I have here for Skinofy is that they should include a small piece of microfiber cloth so that the users can actually clean their devices before they start applying. And I'm sure they would be able to include that. Given the prices at which they sell their skins, it definitely seems very, very competitive, and they do have an edge here compared to their peers in the market. Also, let's actually go in detail and talk about the skin and how it feels. So this is my LG G7 black camo skin, which I was talking about earlier. So this is actually a very, stealthy kind of a look, and this actually looks pretty nice. And it also even changes colors in the light, as you can see for yourself. Anyways, this is the one which I was able to install in one of the best manners, this along with the one on my S8. So as you can see, there are proper cutouts for everything. You don't have to worry about those things. For the volume rockers, for the Google Assistant button, the power button, up top for the SIM card tray, on the bottom for the Type-C port, the speaker grill, the microphone, the headphone jack and everything. The buttons and everything work perfectly fine without any issues. And same is the case with the other devices as well, as you can see for yourself. And with that, actually, I think that would be it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out these skins from skinofy.com. I will leave links to their website and their social media handles in the description, along with my social media handles. Go ahead, follow them, and follow me as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.